Hello mga palangga! Thank you for watching this video. It's me again, JP, and welcome to Diary ni Langga YouTube channel. If you're new to our channel, we're giving contents for self-improvement, life tips and tricks, and helpful reviews. And for today's video, we are going to review multivitamins plus minerals Centrum Advance. So if you're interested, please keep on watching! Disclaimer lang po mga palangga, this is not a sponsored video, and it's been 3 years na din mga palangga that I created my first review with this Centrum Advance, and that video gains more than 115,000 views, and I received hundreds of comments about questions and also experiences na iba nating palangga with this product. So for today's video, we will be reading those comments and those frequently asked questions with that video. Kung ano nga ba yung mga naging experiences din ng iba nating mga palangga, ano nga ba yung advantages or disadvantages na na-encounter nila in taking this multivitamins Centrum. And I will be sharing as well my personal experiences in taking this Centrum Advance. So if you're planning to buy this multivitamins for your daily routine, well, much better that you have to watch this video first. For the first comment, so we have positive feedback from Gretchen Tolentino 1079. She said that nung first time ko mag-try nito sa Singapore product, ang dami kong nararamdaman sa katawan. Yun pala yung effect niya. Ginagamot niya yung mga sakit-sakit sa katawan tulad ng mga ugat-ugat at lahat ng sakit. Yun yung experience ng isa nating palangga. So magaling yung experience niya with this multivitamins. At then naman, she concludes na this multivitamins help her daw para gumaling yung mga sakit na nararamdaman niya. Now, for the second comment, we have here from Mama Mia 5556. So, she said that, I've been using Centrum multivitamins for the last 2 years and seems to be working well. And what's amazing is that it comes from Pfizer. Which is true nga naman mga palangga kasi doon sa box nitong Centrum, nakita ko din doon na may Pfizer na logo. And I think this is also a positive feedback from a user kasi 2 years na din siyang gumagamit nitong Centrum Advance. And she also added additional comments. Sabi niya, let me correct you, vitamins and supplements should be taken with a meal to assimilate to your body during digestion. Thus, the nutrients will be processed and absorbed by the body effectively. FYI. So, thank you for your correction. Kasi sabi ko kasi dun sa previous video and most of the time, tinitake ko talaga siya before bedtime. It doesn't matter kung kumain ako hindi, basta before bedtime, I always take this Centrum Advance. Pero sabi nga daw niya, na much better daw siyang i-take with a meal. She also added additional comments here. As a second opinion from other doctors, FYI, medicine should be taken after meals or when stomach is full to avoid hurting stomach linings, while vitamins should be taken with meals or right after meals, blended with digestion process to better assimilate to the body system, thus being effective. So ayun, sabi nga niya is after a meal. So mas maganda daw uminom na itong vitamins kapag may laman yung ating tiyan para masama siya sa pag-digest ng mga nutrients, especially ng mga kinain din natin. And now, we have another comment from Cinderella8902. Sabi niya, I am 22. 2 years ago na, so baka 24 na siya ngayon. Bumili ako nito last month sa Watsons. Di ko rin naubos. First 3 takes ko, sumasakit ulo ko ng 1 linggo. Tapos feeling ko, nabibingi ako. Advice lang sa mga bibili, try nyo muna yung may trial pack. Baka mataas yung dosage para sa inyo. So, sa kanya naman mga palanggas, medyo negative yung effect sa kanya kasi sumasakit daw yung ulo niya. At saka, sabi nga niya is baka dahil sa dosage or high dosage nitong Centrum Advance. Precautions din naman kasi nakalagay dito sa bottle. Sabi dito, do not exceed recommended daily dose amount if taking other supplements which may also contain vitamin A. Read the label to ensure that you do not exceed the upper tolerable intake levels of 3,000 mcg RE or retinol equivalent per day. Product contains iron which could be harmful to children if taken in large doses. In case of accidental overdose, discontinue use and seek professional assistance immediately. For the next comment naman from Sherry May Separiano Garcia 8161, she said na Laki po tulong sa katawan ko kasi na-relax yung isip at heart ko dito. Tapos bumalik yung lakas ko, kaya ako na ulit magbuhat ng mabigat. I love Centrum Advance. It looks like a positive feedback from this user as well. And next comment naman is from caregiver ng Pinas 916. Sabi niya, first time namin uminom mag-asawa ng multivitamins. Naisip kasi namin na tumatanda na kami, need na namin ng pang-support sa katawan bukod sa pangkain. Sana malaking tulong to sa amin. So, which is true naman talaga. The purpose of the multivitamins or vitamins is to support our health, yung mga nutrients na kinakailangan ng ating katawan. And next naman is from Review Local. Sabi niya, nag-try ako nito. Ayun, mula nun, naging kalmado ako. So, almost the same siya dun sa comment nung isa nating palangga. And lastly naman, from Maria Maganda and 4928, she said, bakit po sa akin kapag laging sumasakit yung tiyan ko? Bakit po sa akin laging sumasakit tiyan ko? As in, sobrang sakit after taking Centrum. In just a minute after taking, sobrang sakit po. 3 beses pa lang po ako nakakainom niyan. Kala ko po nung una, wala lang. Pero hanggang sa naka-3 take na ako, napatunayan ko na dahil sa Centrum. Sabi nga kanya dun sa precautions nitong multivitamins na kapag hindi na tolerable yung pain or something na mataas yung dosage nitong vitamin sa atin. So, it actually suggests na to discontinue taking this product and also seeking professional assistance immediately. Sa akin naman, in my personal experiences mga palangga, for more than 3 years that I'm taking this vitamin, satisfied naman ako with Centrum. Kasi sa vitamins na tumapalangga, I feel na hindi na ako masyadong laging masakitin. Although, hindi pa rin maiiwasan naman na dumarating na nagkakaroon tayo ng sakit, nagkakaroon tayo ng ubo. Pero hindi na siya madalas. Unlike before talaga na lagi talaga akong sakitin. Makaramdam ko na protected yung health ko. And minsan lang ako magkasakit. So, that's why I'm still continuously using this Centrum Advance as part of my daily routine. It also helps mga palangga para makatulog na maayos, especially lagi akong graveyard shift sa work ko. So, ang hirap matulog kapag hindi gabi. So, this Centrum Advance mga palangga, I feel na nakaka-help siya para gumanda at maging maayos yung tulog ko at saka yung gising ko. Kaya naman tinitake ko siya mga palangga before bedtime. Pero dapat may laman talaga yung tiyan. Hindi ka gutom, hindi ka rin masyadong busog na busog. So, that's what I'm doing. At sa mga nagtatanong na kung itong vitamins ba daw is nakapagpaputi, nakapagpataba, nakakapagpapayat, nakakapagtanggal ng pimples, to answer questions mga palangga, hindi po. Hindi po yun yung purpose ng vitamins. Hindi po siya pampataba, hindi po siya pampaputi, hindi po siya pantanggal ng pimples. But this, maybe it will help, pero hindi po yun yung purpose niya. Isa rin to sa makakatulong para lagi tayong healthy. Marami din ako na-receive na questions kung ilang taon nga daw dapat ang pwede mag-take nitong Centrum Advance. So, sabi dito sa bottle, direction for use, adult 1 tablet daily. So, pag sinabing adult, it's 18 years old and above. So, 18 years old and above lang po ang dapat gumamit nitong Centrum Advance. At saka dapat 1 capsule per day lang kasi baka mamaya ma-overdose ka niya kapag sobrang daming capsule or more than 1 capsule yung iti-take nyo everyday. So that's it for na mga palangga. More than 3 years na akong gumagamit itong Centrum Advance and I feel comfortable and feel na nakatulong talaga siya mga palangga para maalagaan at saka maprotektahan yung aking kalusugan. Pero again, it's up to you naman mga palangga kung ano talaga yung vitamins na narapat sa'yo. Saan kayo comfortable kasi may iba tayong palangga na hindi sila comfortable with these vitamins. So, pwede nyo naman i-try and then if you think na hindi kayo okay with this vitamins, so you can discontinue using this product naman and try checking with your pediatrician kung ano nga ba talaga yung nararapat na vitamins for you. So that's it for now mga palangga. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't watched that first review ko mga palangga with this product, I'll put the link in the description box para mapanood nyo rin yung video na yon. With that video, I actually share kung ano nga ba yung formula, ano nga ba yung mga details nitong multivitamins Centrum Advance. And I hope that this video gave you an idea about this product mga palangga. And please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe for more helpful videos like this. As always, thank you so much for watching. Again, this is JP and we will see you all on our next video. Bye!
You say that I'm psychotic, but then you like it like that. It's like every time the conversation changes and I want you right